China Coast Guard 5302. This is Indonesian Coast Guard calling you over.
This is China Coast Guard answer.
Yes, sir. As information, sir, you are in Indonesian waters.
No. No, I protect my fishing ship.
Yes, sir. You are in Indonesian waters, sir. Please move away and go back to your territory, sir.
Your course is dangerous. Please send your course to your portable.
Do you speak English, sir? Do you speak English, sir? Do you speak English? You are on the position 05 degree 27 minute 367 second north, 109 degree 29 minute 023 second east, sir, and that is Indonesian territory.
This is China Coast Guard 5302. We are carrying out patrol in the sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. Your vessel has entered the sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. China has indisputable sovereignty over the island in South China Sea and the adjacent waters, and enjoys sovereign rights and jurisdiction in the relevant waters, as well as the seabed and subsoil.
Yes, sir. I order you, sir. I order you to go away from our territory. Go away.
My fishing boat now is no more working. Can't leave this.
Take your fishing vessel, sir. Go away from our territory. Go away.
My fishing boat is no more work in this sea area.
Leave them, sir. Leave them, or take them away. Take them away. I order you to leave this territory.
My fishing boat is no more work. We can't live there.
No more worker. No more worker. Copy. So leave them and go away. Leave them and go away, sir. I order you, sir, to leave this territory. I order you to leave this territory. Take your fishing boat or leave them.
Sementara Coast Guard terus berusaha menghalangi pergerakan KRI